Whenever he puts the hose up to his tummy, he goes, ooh.
Ooh. Oh.
Uh-oh. 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 Hold on. Hold on. Ooh. Uh-oh. You getting cold.
You look a little cold.
Come on.
Come on, honey. I think that's enough.
You're freezing. He's just shaking.
Oh gosh, he's all wet, but he had fun. He loves water, nature. Oh, great! So we can let those shoes dry out.
Oh.
You know what? I'm not playing the game, guys. I don't want to be wet.
Sorry, that was the song.
Shoot, let's go in.
Don't go towards Mom. She doesn't want to get wet. Okay, go with Mommy.
Come on.
So
It's over.
dry off and get warm. Uh-oh.
Hey, buddy. Yeah, it's time to go inside. Let's go find something for you to put on that's warm. You can come back out, okay?